Before you spend $1 on your next watch, let me show you the hidden gems from AliExpress that truly stand out. The Bernie AM138M immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and surprising craftsmanship for its price point. Right out of the box, the watch feels substantial, balancing comfort on the wrist with enough presence to get noticed. I was especially impressed by the sunburst dial and solid bracelet, which hint at a quality you'd expect from watches many times more expensive. The automatic movement keeps accurate time, and the luminous hands made nighttime reading effortless. Wearing it throughout the day, I appreciated how the watch felt both elegant and casual, ideal for almost any occasion. Have you ever found yourself wanting a watch that quietly elevates your entire outfit? This might be the one. If I had to pick a minor downside, the clasp could feel a little stiffer than those on premium models, but it's nothing that hinders daily use. The Berlenta BTA0112 brings a unique elegance to the table without the hefty price tag. When I first wore it, the minimalist dial and slim case stood out. It's undeniably stylish, with a touch of understated sophistication. The soft leather strap gives it a refined, dressy feel, making it perfect for special occasions or a polished everyday look. I was genuinely surprised by how lightweight and comfortable this watch felt during long days. The simple, yet classy design draws compliments without screaming for attention. Isn't it wonderful when your accessory makes you feel special without trying too hard? While I love the sleekness, the watch offers basic water resistance, so it's best to remove it before any swimming adventures. The Pagani Design 1811 is a real showstopper for anyone who values sporty aesthetics blended with robust functionality. The first thing I noticed was its bold, modern look, a stainless steel body, intricate bezel, and eye-catching dial details. Whether you're a fan of classic divers or rugged chronographs, this watch bridges the gap nicely. After wearing it daily, I found the timekeeping to be precise and the luminous markers extremely handy after dark. The substantial build doesn't weigh down the wrist but gives a sense of reliability. Wouldn't you agree that a reliable watch boosts your confidence wherever you go? Although the strap is well made, it does take some getting used to if you prefer a lighter feel. Still, it quickly becomes comfortable. The Bernie 2935 instantly charmed me with its retro-inspired aesthetics and gently curved case. If you enjoy watches with vintage flair, this one stands out. The dial is clean, easy to read, and pairs beautifully with the supple strap, adding a subtle touch of class to everyday wear. During my week with the 2935, I was pleased by its accuracy and the way the watch settled so naturally on my wrist. Sliding my cuff over it, I'd catch myself admiring the understated style. Isn't it satisfying when your watch becomes a quiet statement piece? Some may find the manual winding an extra step compared to automatics, but it also offers a tactile connection to your timepiece. The Pagani Design 1731 brings a splash of sportiness and precision to your wrist. The vivid dial colors and polished case caught my eye right away. This is the type of watch that grabs attention gently but firmly. I appreciated the chronograph functions, which are integrated seamlessly and respond with accuracy every time. Wearing the 1731 out and about, it quickly became a talking point. It felt robust enough for outdoor adventures, yet sleek enough for coffee shop meetings. Who says you can't have both rugged style and sophistication in one watch? The band felt a tad stiff initially, but it quickly softened with wear, just a short break-in period. When I tried the Addies Dive 2050, I was struck by its professional diver watch vibes at an everyday price. The unidirectional bezel, clear markers, and strong lume left no doubt that this watch is ready for adventure. The weight feels just right, substantial but never cumbersome. Taking it on hikes and casual swims, the water resistance held up perfectly, and the screw-down crown inspired confidence. How often do you find a watch that's just as comfortable on a mountain trail as it is at a local cafe? The only thing to keep in mind is the bracelet's links may require adjusting for the perfect fit, but that's a small step for such impressive value. As soon as I fastened the Bernie AM139M to my wrist, I could feel the upgrade in craftsmanship. The sapphire crystal and refined dial design exude a luxury touch that far exceeds its price tag. The movement runs smoothly, and the details, from the date window to the applied indices, show careful attention. This watch feels at home both in professional and casual settings. I loved the comfort of the bracelet and the confidence it brings, knowing your accessory is reliable and stylish. Isn't it amazing when something affordable feels truly premium? If you have a smaller wrist, you might find the case size a little bold, but it never felt overwhelming to me.